Okay. What is the problem? Okay, what is the problem? Kemarin sudah Miss Vina jelaskan di situ. The problem is Tom feels annoyed because I play with Jamal.
Jamal.
Ya, oke, jadi cemburu ya. Temennya punya temen yang baru. Okay, that is the problem. And then B, what are some of the choices? Nah, pilihan-pilihan yang bisa dilakukan apa to solve the problem? So you have to find at least 2 or 3. Jadi dikasih pilihannya kita kira buatnya kalau 2 juga 3. Oke, kemarin Miss Vina tulis the first choice, I keep on playing with Jamal. Tetap main sama Jamal aja. And then number 2, I play with Tom. Oke, aku main sama Tom. And then the choice number 3, I play with Tom and Jamal. Bentar, tunggu Kenneth dulu. Okay. Nah, from the choices, we have some consequences. Dari pilihan-pilihan itu ada konsekuensinya. Oke, yang pilihan pertama, I keep on playing with Jamal. Konsekuensinya adalah Tom will be angry with me. Yeah, that is the consequence. Okay, from the second choice, I play with Tom. The consequence is Jamal will be sad. Ya, karena mainnya gantian sama Tom, Jamal akan sedih. And then for the third choice, the consequence is, I play with Tom and Jamal. The consequence is Tom and Jamal will be happy. Oke, itu konsekuensinya. Nah, dari pilihan dan konsekuensinya, kita pilih what is the best choice. Oke, what is the best choice? Oke, dari ketiga itu yang paling tepat, yang paling terbaik yang mana dipilih. Oke, so the best choice is number 3. I play with Tom and Jamal. Okay, so nobody will be angry ya. I play with Tom and Jamal. And then E, how are you going to carry out this decision? Oke, kemudian cara melaksanakannya gimana? I will introduce Jamal to Tom and we play together. Oke, aku akan mengenalkan Jamal ke Tom dan kita akan bermain bersama. Oke, sudah jelas sampai di sini? Is that clear enough? Sudah ya? Oke. And for your Milka. Okay. Bentar, tunggu Milka dulu. Nanti bagi yang ketinggalan, ini Miss Vina record ya, nanti bisa lihat rekamannya di YouTube. Ya, karena nanti juga ada listeningnya, tugasnya ada listeningnya yang ESL. Okay. Okay, for your character building task today, tugas character buildingnya hari ini adalah, write a problem. Write a problem. Tulis satu masalah yang pernah kamu alami, kayak yang di sini tadi. And then use the decision making steps to solve the problem. Jadi dibuat sama seperti ini, masalahnya dibuat sendiri yang pernah kalian alami. Kemudian pilihannya yang bisa dikerjakan apa aja, konsekuensinya apa. Kemudian the best choice, and then how are you going to carry out the decision? Write on your notebook. Ya, write on your notebook. It's okay kalau misalnya kalian cuman choicesnya only 2, it's okay. Kalau pilihannya cuma 2, it's okay. So, minimum 2 choices. Ya, pilihannya minimal 2. Miss, kalau mau pilihanku ada 5, it's okay. Ya, pilihannya ada 5 juga boleh. Ya, nah dari setiap pilihan ditulis konsekuensinya apa aja, kemudian dipilih yang terbaik. Do you understand? Or do you have any questions about this? Iya, Sila baru gabung.
No.
No, if no. Jadi tugas character buildingnya adalah itu tadi, membuat di link Google Formnya juga sudah ada. Nanti kalau misalnya ketinggalan, kalian bisa lihat di link Google Formnya itu tugasnya apa. Ya, any question for character building?
No.
No, if no, now close your primary health and values book. Now open OD workbook. Your OD workbook. Ini siapa ini? Namanya A-nya banyak banget. Okay, OD workbook, open page 68, halaman 68. Okay, 68. Already? Okay, udah ya? Bisa dengar suaranya Miss Wina? Okay, page 68. Okay, activity 1 and 2. We will do activity 1 and 2. So this is the listening, okay, listening part. So Miss Wina will read. Please listen very carefully. If you cannot listen clearly, kalau nanti dengarnya nggak jelas, Miss, nanti bisa lihat recordingnya. Nanti ada recordingnya, ya. Okay, now let's do number 1. Okay, page 68. Please prepare your pencil or pen. Pencil is better, yeah. Prepare your pencil. Okay, we have some options there. We have scary, boring, easy, difficult, funny, romantic, interesting, and exciting. Okay, we have already discussed the meaning. Okay, on the video last meeting. Okay, now let's listen together. Okay, page 68, unit 7, activity 1. Listen and write. Ready, friends? Okay. The first lesson at school was easy. The second and third lessons were difficult. Okay, there was an exciting game in the fourth lesson. There was an exciting game in the fourth lesson. Lunch was boring. Lunch was boring. The lesson after lunch were interesting. The lessons after lunch were interesting. In the last lesson, we read some poems. Some were funny. Some were funny. Some were romantic. And some were scary. Already? Udah semuanya? Ada yang ketinggalan nggak? Nggak ya? Okay. Now let's continue to activity 2. Activity 2. Listen and write for Medi. Ya, listen and write for Medi. Oke, for Medi only. Nanti yang you-nya nggak usah ditulis, nggak apa-apa. Only for Medi. Yang you-nya dikosongin aja. Oke, number 1. Okay, number 1. Our school book last year was dinosaurs. It was boring for me, but my friends like it. Number 2. My mom has a book called Summer Love. I read it too. It was a very romantic story. Number 3. Our school book in the summer was Anna and the Aliens. It was funny. Okay, number 4. My first English book was the first book of words. It was easy. Okay, number 5. Our teacher's favorite book last year was Fun with Numbers. It was difficult, but I like math. Number 6. Our school book in the spring was The Adventures of 009. It was exciting. Okay, sudah yang number 1 and 2. Number 3 nggak usah ya, number 3 nggak usah. Okay, now let's move on to page 69. Page 69, activity 4. Okay, page 69, activity 4. Nanti jawabannya langsung ditulis sendiri, nggak perlu diucapkan. Nanti kalau udah dikirimkan ke Miss Vina nanti ya, di linknya ada. Okay, activity 4, read then match. Okay, Miss Vina will read for you. My first day at school was scary. I was only 5 and there were a lot of big children in the school. The lessons were very difficult. My teacher was kind, but I was very sad. Okay, so let's answer number 1. Bisa ditulis hurufnya aja ya, number 1. Was Emma's first day at school scary? Was Emma's first day at school scary? Pilih jawabannya yang ada di sebelahnya itu. Okay, and then number 2, was she 4? Was she 4? Okay. And then number 3, were there a lot of big children? Were there a lot of big children? Okay. And then number 4, were the lessons easy? Were the lessons easy? Number 5, was her teacher kind? Was her teacher kind? Yeah. And then number 6, was she sad? Was she sad? Okay, sudah? Okay. Now let's move on to activity 5. So tugasnya nanti udah dikerjakan bersama, tinggal dikirim jawabannya aja nanti ya. Okay, activity 5. Unscramble and write questions about your first day at school. Then write the answers. Okay. Number 1. Okay, ada you, how, were, old. Miss Vina kasih contoh dulu ya, yang number 1 ya, yang nanti berikutnya kerjakan sendiri. You, how, were, old. Kira-kira kalau dibuat pertanyaan apa, friends? Unscramble the question. Apa? How old were you? How old were you? First day at school. Masih ingat first day at school ya? Ini ya tentang first day at school. How old were you? Umurmu berapa saat itu? Jawabnya I was bla 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 years old. Nanti dijawab sendiri seperti itu. Oke, how old were you? I was bla 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 years old. Pertama kali sekolah. Okay, yang number 2, unscramble by yourself. Your kind was teacher. Unscramble the questions and answer. Okay, unscramble the questions and answer. Your kind was teacher. Okay, it's about yes and no question. Already? Oke, sudah yang number 2. Ada yang masih bingung number 2? Dibuat pertanyaan ya, friends. Dibuat pertanyaan terus dijawab. Pertanyaannya yes, no question. Okay, number 3. There scary anywhere things. There scary anywhere things. Oke, udah. Nanti kalau masih bingung nanti dilihat-lihat lagi. Yang number 4, you were happy. Dibuat questions yang you were happy. Oke, remember ini pertanyaannya based on your first day at school. Waktu pertama kali kalian masuk sekolah, waktu masih preschool. Oke, sudah? Oke, jadi tugasnya yang ESL only page 68 number 1 and 2, and then page 69 number 4 and 5. Yang number 6 tidak perlu. Yang number 6 tidak perlu. Okay, do you have any questions before Miss Vina end the meeting? Yang tugas karakter buildingnya udah jelas ya? Sudah? Sudah belum? Any question, friends? No?
Miss, tugas karakter building yang mana, Miss?
Tugas karakter buildingnya adalah kemarin dibuka dulu bukunya. Ini siapa tadi? Janet. Oke, buka bukunya halaman 16, page 16. Oke, page 16. Nah, kemarin kan Miss Vina sudah menjelaskan yang number 1 itu ada problem. Kemudian ditulis what is the problem, what are some the choices, and then the consequences, and then the best choice decision, and then how are you going to carry out this decision. Nah, kemarin udah Miss Vina jelaskan, di situ udah Miss Vina tuliskan. Nah, tugasmu adalah membuat hal yang sama. So you write your own problem. Maybe the problem that you have ever faced, masalah yang pernah kalian temui, kemudian dibuat choices-nya apa aja? Minimal choices-nya ada 2. Kalau 1 nggak mungkin, ya. 1 itu udah solution-nya berarti. Minimal choices-nya ada 2. Oke, kalau lebih dari 3 boleh, Miss, boleh. Kemudian yang si konsekuensi dari setiap choices-nya itu apa? Kemudian dipilih the best choice. Kemudian how are you going to carry out the decision? Jadi tugasnya adalah membuat seperti page 16, but you write your own problem. Is that clear? Is that clear? Oke. Nanti kalau misalnya kurang jelas, ini tadi Miss Vina rekam, oke, Zoom-nya Miss Vina rekam. Nanti Miss Vina bagikan link-nya. Kalian kalau masih kurang jelas bisa mengulang lagi, ya. Nanti bisa dilihat di YouTube-nya. Oke, any other question, friends? Any other questions?
No.
Okay, if no, thank you for your attention for today.
Yang tugas ISL halaman 69 yang nomor 4. Activity 5.
Nomor 4. Oke.
Activity 5.
Oke, activity 5. Oke, activity 5. Unscramble. Unscramble. Tadi udah Mas Vina kasih contoh yang number 1 kan. Ada you, how, were old. Nah, jadi apa dibuat pertanyaan? How old were you? Kemudian dijawab itu kan based. The question is based on your first day at school. Dulu waktu kamu pertama kali sekolah. Nah, itu jawabannya berdasarkan itu. Oke, how old were you? I was bla 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 years old. Terus yang nomor 2, 3, 4 itu sama, unscramble the questions. Jadi itu dibuat pertanyaan kemudian dijawab. Ya, saat kamu pertama kali sekolah. Jelas? Is that clear?
Yes.
Oke, any other questions? Yang nomor 6 nggak usah ya, 45. 1, 2, 4, 5 yang dikerjakan. Oke, no questions? Okay, friends, thank you for today and what is it?
Bye-bye.
Tetap jaga kesehatan ya, friends ya. Semoga kita bisa segera ketemu ya, friends ya.
Amin.
Okay, thank you. Goodbye, friends. Bye.
Bye-bye.